My favorite part about Christmas is family and food, and I think the food is attached to the family. My family, we get up early Christmas morning, and I make homemade biscuits and gravy, and it's just wonderful to have the whole family sitting around the table enjoying a great meal together. You know, the kids all excited about Christmas, and it's just one of my favorite parts of Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. One of my favorite holiday traditions revolves around our Christmas tree. Every year since my children were big enough to walk, we go to one of our local Christmas tree farms and we cut down our tree. When they were born, we started to purchase an ornament every year, and when we decorate the tree as a family, we talk about the ornaments from years past and take a trip down memory lane. So my favorite holiday tradition is to cut down our Christmas tree, purchase an ornament that means something significant that year, and decorate the tree as a family. Merry Christmas, everyone.
And for me, my favorite part about Christmas is everything. I love candy canes. I love the presents. I love the stockings. I love family. I love ugly sweaters. I love Christmas trees. I love the lights on houses. I love Santa Claus and reindeers. I love the birth of Christ, the celebration of his birth. I love everything about Christmas. Nativity scenes, I love it all. Jingle bells, absolutely. Singing Christmas carols, absolutely. You guys, I love everything about Christmas. That's all there is. Merry Christmas to you. Hope you have a very happy holiday. I'm excited to be here with you, my friends, and I hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas.
Hi everybody, Michael here. Just thinking about the holiday season and what a great time of the year it is to pause and just think about all the people that have come through your life that you're grateful for. The people that are present in your life today that make your life so rich. Obviously family is in the middle of that, but my friends, my coworkers, the clients and folks that we get to talk to help, to spend time with. I'm just grateful to all. So have a good holiday. I wish you all the very best. Looking forward to the next year and going greater again. Take care. Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas to everybody. As I was growing up as a kid, one of the favorite things we used to do was play a very spirited game of Monopoly with my family. So to this day, now with my own kids and grandkids, that is one of our favorite things to do is after presents, the big dinner, we then play games the rest of the day of different things that are very enjoyable, and Monopoly is still one of them. Merry Christmas.
So, obviously, family and friends is the best part about Christmas. But you know what? My wife puts on the best Christmas party. They're all themed. One year it was the best ugly sweater. Last year it was the best PJs. I was going to wear my onesie from last year, but the flap was broken in the back, and I just figured it wouldn't be a good idea. Anyway, this year it's t-shirts. Here's what my wife got me. I told her nothing would jiggling. Merry Christmas, everyone.
One of my favorite traditions during the holidays and Christmas is competitive gingerbread house making with my family. We get together and it's extremely competitive. We vote at the very end on who's is best, and it's probably my favorite time of the year to be with my family during Christmas and with all my siblings and nieces and nephews.
My favorite thing about the holiday season is Christmas. I really love everything about Christmas, from the decor, the lights, but the most important thing about Christmas to me is when I hear Christmas music. Every time I hear Christmas music, it really draws back to a core memory of mine. My brother used to work at a Christmas tree lot, and my mom and I would go visit him. My mom and I actually went on a little business venture, and we found some mistletoe growing on our neighborhood trees. We would cut it down, prep it, tie a pretty bow, put it in some plastic, and we would sell them at the Christmas tree lot. Knowing that a piece of our love for the season, our hard work, was in other people's homes spreading joy, spreading love, it was really impactful, and I still think about that business venture when I was younger, passing by those trees, or when I hear Christmas music. So it's just a wonderful experience from when I was younger.
I think the best thing about Christmas is spending it with my kids. Going to the Christmas village, going through the drive-through lights, that is the best part of our tradition, as well as a Christmas scavenger hunt in the Christmas morning. That is one of our favorite things to do. And every year it just gets better and better because they get older and they understand more. And that's just probably one of the best things about Christmas.
I get to say Christmas. I get to talk about Christ. I get to talk about the Savior of the world. And any other time of year you can talk about him, but people are much more open to hear and listen to the story about Jesus than any other time of year. So that is absolutely my favorite part.
So what Christmas means to me is fun with family and fun with friends. And really the time I enjoy is the time after Christmas between New Year's. For those 6 days, it's all about no obligations and sled rides and just waking up late and staying up late and just enjoying time with each other. That's what Christmas is to me.
Hi guys, Ryan Daly here, one of the coaches with the Institute for Automotive Business Excellence. Wishing you a happy holiday season. My favorite thing about the holidays is the food. This year my wife got me an oilless air fryer for the turkey, so we're going to try the prime rib in it for Christmas this year too. Hopefully it turns out as well. Can't wait to work with you guys next year. Happy holidays.
My favorite part of the holiday season, tough to say, Halloween girl through and through. But if I had to pick one, I would say that it's the reminder to stay grounded and present. While it has a tendency to be pretty chaotic, I love the part where we get to experience the magic and innocence through our children's eyes. We're reminded of the importance of family and community and slowing down. I have a big family, so it's really hard to coordinate a time for all of us to get together. And I do feel like we prioritize it during the holidays, and that does mean everything to me. So I would say family, community, seeing the innocence and magic through my little girl's eyes. And I wish everybody a happy holiday, a very Merry Christmas.
Hi everyone, my favorite part of the holiday season is Christmas morning. There's something truly magical. The excitement of waking up early, the anticipation of presents, and the joy knowing Santa has come. But the best part, by far, is seeing how excited my son is. Seeing the pure wonder and happiness in his eyes makes the morning truly unforgettable. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas.
My favorite part of the holiday season is definitely watching Christmas movies. I want to watch all of them. I want to watch the burglars get covered in paint. I want to watch an elf roaming around New York City causing chaos. I want to watch people fall in love in the snow. There's something that is just so cozy to me about curling up with a blanket and a warm cookie and watching a holiday film.
Hi, my name is Aldo Gomez, and my favorite things about the holiday season is spending time with my family, getting great gifts, the awesome and funny and enjoyable to watch movies that are Christmas movies, and most of all is seeing kids excited about Santa and the holidays and getting presents and seeing all the different things that kids like to get as toys. Happy holidays.
My favorite holiday thing to do is watch the Die Hard films. We'll pick one or more of them and get through as many as we can and just enjoy ourselves watching John McClane fight this or that terrorist from this or that group. Merry Christmas, everybody, and yippee-ki-yay.
One of my favorite things about the holidays is Christmas morning breakfast. So we always do a big breakfast, hash browns, eggs, bacon. In fact, the reason I love it so much is that my grandparents came over from Oklahoma, and one thing that they make over there is biscuits and gravy with bacon gravy. And out here in Utah, we only get sausage, which is really sweet. So that's, to me, is really special. It always reminds me of my childhood, is having that big Christmas breakfast.